Hi, I'm Heather with WTI. I could not be more excited about this electric bike conversion kit from JauoPay. Let me take you outside and show you how the process goes to convert a bike into an electric bike. Comes with everything's shown here, including a color manual. High quality brake levers here, and this is Shimano, so you know it's a good quality, and twist throttle, rubber handlebars. Comes with the winding piper and the cable ties so that you can put everything together and affix it to the bike for a sleek look. This is the pedal assist system. I love learning how this works. This is the sensor and it has magnets in it. So when the magnets are turning, as you're turning the pedal, that shows the sensor that you're pedaling and it activates your pedal assist. It's made with exceptional quality. The aluminum alloy double wall rim make for a solid construction. The only thing you need to buy separately is the battery, and you have everything you need to turn your bike into an electric bike. Whether you keep this for yourself or you give it to a loved one to assist them in their bike riding, it's an enjoyable and quiet ride. In addition, it's an attractive price point as well, so it makes the dream of having an electric bike a possibility for so many of us. You can also turn your bike into an electric bike and have that extra boost to get home. Here we were easily going 10 miles an hour, but this can go from 15 to 22 if you like. So if you also would like the electric bike, but would like to do it yourself, you will not be disappointed in this conversion kit. Thank you, JauoPay. That's my point of view.